Is that Trent? I'm sure it is.
It is.
Today is December 29th. And Trent is, well, you saw him standing. He won't do it anymore now because I'm recording. Let's see. No? No more?
Did you get it at all?
Yeah.
Go to Mommy.
You gonna stand up again? No? Okay. I was just gonna haul butt back over here and get my coffee. Hey!